So in this video I'll be sharing a delicious recipe of a quick snack specially suited for this beautiful monsoon days, and as you can see in my video how crispy and how awesome they have turned out, and this can be enjoyed with some ketchup. And the best part is that it's made of 100% whole wheat flour or atta with some potatoes and some lovely stuffing. So try this recipe, one of the easiest, quickest and tastiest recipe you can make for your family, and I have named this recipe as potato samosa rolls. Same ingredients and lovely taste. Hey guys, I'm Subhankari and I welcome you all to my channel Su's Food Corner English, and I hope you all are doing great in your lives. If you are new to my page, do subscribe to my page and do not forget to tap the bell button. Thank you all for loving my channel so much and liking my videos so much. So let's begin with this quick and super easy recipe. So first, in a bowl I'll be taking 2 cups of whole wheat flour atta. Normally for this recipe is flour or maida is used, but I have preferred here atta. So 2 cups of atta goes in, black cumin or kalonji or kala jeera, half a teaspoon goes in. It gives a nice texture and flavor. And salt I'll add half teaspoon, and oil 4 tablespoon I'll be adding. So for 2 cups of whole wheat flour I'll be adding 4 tablespoon of cooking oil. And now I'll mix it nicely so that all the ingredients are nicely mingled, and this is the consistency after 2 to 3 minutes. It can be nicely squished together with a perfect texture. It should hold together somewhat like that of crumble. And now half a cup of water goes in little by little. It's very important, water goes here in batches, and I have used approximately half a cup of water for 2 cups of atta. And now it's perfectly done. The dough should be a bit stiff, that's very important. So it's done. Now I'll cover it and rest for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, I have taken here 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan, and when it's heated in medium flame I'll add 1 large onion chopped, 7 to 8 garlic cloves and half inch ginger plus 2 to 3 green chilli. I have crushed it, it's very important, this goes in. Now I just need to saute this aromatics, onion, ginger, garlic and green chilies. Half a teaspoon salt I have added. This helps to nicely saute this, bring a lovely color. So after 5 to 6 minutes on medium flame, this will get a nice caramelized color. This is only what we want. After the onions have attained this color, switch off the flame. And for this recipe I have taken some more ingredients, that's basic. I have taken some boiled, peeled and grated potato. So here I have taken around 4 to 5. So this goes in a bowl. Nicely I have grated it for the smooth consistency. Salt I have added. Corn flour 4 tablespoons I have added. You can also add rice flour if you don't have corn flour. Some chopped coriander leaves goes in, and the sorted onions, ginger, garlic and green chili that goes in. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice I have added, and now I'll give it a mix. So basic ingredients, and you can see it will form the texture of a dough. And now I'll divide it into 3 to 4 parts, and each part I'll take and I'll just make a nice roll out of it. So I've applied some oil in my hands and some on the plate, and in this way I'll start pressing it and make it a elongated structure in this way very carefully. As we have mixed corn flour or rice flour, whatever you want, this will hold shape very nicely. So just in this way roll it out, and once it's done I will use a nice greased knife, apply some oil on the knife and just cut it into bite-sized pieces as we make of cutlets or nuggets. In the same way I'll be cutting out pieces. So this is it, and now I'll apply again some oil and I'll just give it a shape, elongated shape, cylindrical shape basically. Just roll between your palms and press the edges in this way, and a nice potato roll will be ready. In this way I'll make all the rolls, around 20-22 rolls I have made. So now let's begin to make potato samosa roll, and this dough has been resting for around 15 minutes now. You can see it's perfectly stiff, and this dough I'll divide into 2 parts, and each part I'll divide again into 2 parts. So 4 parts I'll be dividing 2 cups of flour. So I'll sprinkle some dry flour, and 1 part I'll be taking in this way, and now I'll just roll it to a thin sheet. Roll it as thin as you can in this way. So here I'll just roll it out. You can see I have rolled it out, and now it's time to cut the edges. So here I have used a cutter, you can also use a knife. So basically I'll trim the edges to make it a square or rectangle, whatever shape you can. So here I'll discard the edges, and in this way very nicely I'll cut the edges. 4 sides I'll cut. So you can see how I'm trimming the sides. It's super easy to make, and as I said you can also use a knife. So it's done. 4 sides I have trimmed beautifully. And now I'll take one nugget that I had made, the potato nugget, keep it on the upper part and cut the dough according to the size of the nugget, so that when we'll roll this or stuff this inside this dough, I'll just make it a little bit larger, press the nuggets so that the edges can be out from the dough. I'll just show you how. So one nugget I have kept here. I'll start rolling from downwards, and once one roll is completed, I'll apply some water and seal it by pressing it. Then I'll cut it, and as I had said, you can see the potato stuffing is little bit larger than the dough, so for that I had just pressed the nugget little bit. Now with the reference to the same mark, I will divide all the dough, and then again I'll place one more nugget and roll it perfectly because I have already got the measurement. So just press the nuggets little bit so that they can be little bit larger in length, and then roll them out so that it can be perfectly stuffed, and seal it beautifully. Prepare all these rolls in this way, and the oil should be initially nicely heated, then reduce the flame to medium and then add the nuggets. Leave it undisturbed for around 4 to 5 minutes on each side on medium flame, and after 4 to 5 minutes increase the flame and carefully flip this potato samosa rolls, and they would turn crispy. And make sure you don't disturb this potato nuggets initially, otherwise the potato fillings will just leave this dough and will be scattered in the oil. Adjust heat accordingly and fry till they turn out to be nice golden and crispy. And you can see how lovely they have turned out. The outer surface of the samosa rolls is just perfect with no bubbles, and it has turned out to be super crispy. You can see the potato that is perfectly covered, it is not scattered, and has got a beautiful round oval shape. It's perfectly done. Our potato samosa rolls looks so delicious, and it goes best with some tomato chutney or some ketchup or some green chutney, whatever you wish for. So next time when you want to try something new, exciting with simple recipes at your home, you try this recipe samosa in a very different way, and you can throw in some lovely vegetables if you want in the stuffing, like green peas, some carrots. Completely depends upon your choice. So now it's time for the comment of the day. Today's comment is from Prabha Kirketa. She writes, "Thank you so much for this tiffin recipe. For a long period I was waiting for this type of video for my kids. Please make more videos in this regard so we can get more ideas from you. You are the best explainer and best chef. Please upload more recipes, more videos." Thank you so much, Prabha, for such lovely words. Is actually commenting on my video of 5 instant new very delicious kids tiffin box recipe. Thank you so much that you love the video, and yes, stay tuned to my channel. I'll be uploading some more series recipes for sure. Stay safe and stay connected. And for today's recipe, that's a very different type of whole wheat flour atta snacks. Do try it, you will love the flavors. You can also follow Source Food Corner English on Instagram and Facebook. And if you have liked today's video, do give a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and not forget to subscribe to my page. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life, and happy fooding.